the feature, not with a sketch. So the way to have it work the easiest with your mirror is to do it with a feature, not a sketch. But you can do it in sketch mode if you want to. It's there. It's just, I find it easier to do it this way. So for, it's underneath the pattern, and it's this little one right up here that's mirror image of each other. And the first thing you do is you create your feature. And I'm going to click both of those features. And then you select the plane you want to mirror around. You hit OK, and I have now mirrored around that plane on it, and that's how you use the mirror feature. Okay, now next thing we want to do is create or be able to draw on a circular surface. And unfortunately, the reality is you can't draw on a circular surface. You can only draw on flat surfaces. But sometimes we need to be able to get to that, at least have like a flat surface on the circular surface that we can draw on, right? So to do that, I'm going to create a circular surface. And I'm going to do a cone, just to be a little different. And then hopefully I've touched all my edges here. Nope, I haven't, so I need to make sure it's a closed shape. Alright, so there I got a nice closed shape, and then what I'm going to do is I know that this is going to end up making a circular surface because I'm going to revolve it to make a cone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point right there. You can always go back and add a point later on when you figure out that you want to draw a work plane on there. Go ahead and finish my sketch, and then I'm going to do a revolve of here around here and hit OK. Okay, now that's now consumed. Here's the secret. You have to make the sketches visible, because there's a point on that sketch, but I can't see it unless I make that sketch visible. And hopefully, yeah, it's right there. But I have to make that sketch visible to be able to use it. Can't emphasize that enough. When it doesn't work, chances are it's because you forgot to make the sketch visible. Then I'm going to go over here where it says work plane, and I got all of these different options for creating a work plane. So I can do it tangent to a surface through the edge. I can do it tangent through a point. I actually have an edge, so I might have been able to do edge, but I'm going to go through a point. So here's my surface, and somewhere in here is my point. There's my point. And there put a work plane on my curved surface. So now I can draw on that work plane, and if you notice, it's going parallel with that slanted curve on there. But if you do a cylinder, same thing. So that's what you have to do to be able to draw on a curved surface. Any questions on that?